Educational GMAT. Your partner in your GMAT journey.
If 5 integers are to be selected at random and without replacement from the list consisting of 20 integers from 1 to 20 inclusive, what is the probability that 2 of the 5 selected integers will be 10 and 20? Yes, there is. How do we approach this? 2 of the 5 selected integers will be 10 and 20. Let's first be very clear. Actually, let me just wait for a couple of minutes. Two of the 5 selected integers will be 10 and 20. Stick to the formula, guys. Stick to the formula. And what is the formula? This one, right? Number of ways in which desired outcome can happen divided by total number of possible outcomes. This is pretty much the only formula that you need to remember as far as probability goes. The other concepts that are applied in probability are all derived from permutations and combinations. Okay. How many total numbers do we have? 20. And how many integers do we have to select? 5. Right? So can you tell me how many ways can we select 5 integers out of 20 integers? Sorry? 5. In how many ways can we select 5 integers out of 20 integers? Absolutely, 20C5. We have 20 integers, right? And we are selecting 5. So total number of possible outcomes is obviously 20C5. Right? So C25 is the total number of possible outcomes when we are selecting 5 integers out of 40 integers. Okay. What's the desired outcome here? What's the desired outcome here? See, we are selecting 5 integers, and what's the desired outcome? Two of the 5 selected integers will be 10 and 20. Right? So we've already fixed 10 and 20 as 2 integers in the desired outcome. Right? Now, here is the thing, guys. How many integers do we have to choose now? How many integers do we have to choose? 3. And how many integers do we have left to choose these 3 from? 18, right? Because they were a total of 20. Out of those, we have already chosen 2. From remaining 18, we can choose any 3. Right? So when 10 and 20 are fixed, how many total such groups can be formed? 18, right? 10 and 20 are fixed. Out of remaining 18, we can choose any 3. So C18(3) would be the number of ways with which desired outcome can happen. Friends, are we clear on this? Guys, I'm hoping you are comfortable with this concept, by the way. We were supposed to choose total 5. But here we are not choosing 5. We have already been told in a sense that 10 and 20 are already chosen for you. So that's not a choice that we have. 10 and 20 have already been fixed for us. They have been chosen. So we are only left with choosing any 3 out of the remaining 18. Why 18? Because 10 and 20, out of a total of 20 integers, 10 and 20 have already been chosen. So there are only 18 left, out of which we do have a choice of choosing any 3. So C18, 3 would be the total number of ways in which desired outcome can happen. And what is the desired outcome? Total number of 5 integers which have 10 and 20 definitely appearing in them. C18, 3. So final probability would be this is number of ways in which desired outcome can happen, and this is the total number of possible outcomes. So if you do the calculation, the answer would be 1 by 19. Any question else? Okay.